What about the rain? Rain. What about the rain? Whoa. What about the rain? What about the rain? Well, what about the rain? What about the rain? Whoa. What about the rain? You. I'm gonna walk down to the valley, and I'm gonna walk up again as well. I'm gonna ooh, 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 bum 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 ba-da-dum dum 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 da-da da-da-da-da. Ooh, ooh. It's like hum, 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 hum. Hum, 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 hum. Hum, 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 hum. Hum, 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 hum. Hum, 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 hum. Hum, hum, hum. I can share something about the Sanskrit which is 2 letters, a O and a M, and the O is said like not a O and not like O. Well, like O it is. So you go say O, then with your chin you go backward, O, and you end up in a real open throat. Oh. So you're I'm not saying what just came into my mind. Ooh, filthy me. Well, it's those standing figures, you can say. Sometimes things just got names, and then when you start explaining something about something, then a check and topic pops up, but only in my mind, and then I try to just continue with what I was doing, hopefully, and not get led astray. So you go like ooh, and then your mouth is like, you know, oops, like a tip of a mountain, and then you go back again to the O, and then you say oh, and then you just close your mouth. That's the in Sanskrit. The pronunciation, thanks to some man I have once met, is as I just have explained to you. It's not it's not aum, it's not Au is the sun, and then you close it by It's like saying the because when you study the overtones at the analyzer, you'll find out that saying as we Swiss Germans do quite a lot, ends up in having a full spectrum vibrational picture. So when you say the vowels, you go say it looks different than the E, right? Just the vibrations that you can experience in your body by singing so, and also that get heard via the ear. Those vibrations, the frequencies, they differ from A, E, well, it's actually A, well, the vowels in German are A, E, O, U, but our E is your I, so you have to go following the German row of saying vowels, because you start very back and open with your mouth, and you start with the just open and totally relaxed, and you end up with the oo, which is totally closed and up front on the tip of your lips. It is the doesn't have anything to do with the tips of your lips, so that's why you have to go say I like ooh, oh, ooh. Now I was going sliding. It happens with good shoes as well, like so-called good shoes. We call it the good shoes, like when you go to the church on Sunday, you put on the good this and the good that, but also good shoes are around here, like for doing this or that, like for a certain topic. you pick the good shoes, meaning the ones that fit the doings best. So yeah, today I'm like pink, black, silver. Ooh. Well, if you don't see these colors right now, something, you know, might not be right with your, you know, with my, whatever. So yeah, I'm not really running and I'm not really walking. I'm sort of in the between. At home I was whistling for quite a while, and since I came away from doing normal singing exercises, I'm not going mum 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 hum 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 and then hum 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 hum. So just starting anywhere, and then also taking a piano. When it's not the right tuning, then it's all for, you know, nothing. So I don't have a piano, I'm just saying there's the internet. I could go and fetch the middle C, the middle A, the middle whatever in the 432 Hertz tuning, which is the Vedic tuning. I could, but I don't want to. I want to stay with my very own tuning. So I'm not tuning myself into some sort of group think, you know, group sing, so that I can sing together with people. I want to develop my own tune. So I'm kind of, oh yeah, I want to sing, I want to hoo and do stuff, experience airflow around my mouth and my nose. So I'm rather doing that. Sometimes it sounds good for really a few moments, and then again it sounds awful forever. So actually the trick is to have the camera running at all times. So not as I was doing before, because I was just chilling, but at home I should actually do so, because then I could go back, pick up what I've just sung and what seemed so wonderful, and then practice this. So like this, I did it with my song that I haven't recorded yet, which is called Over-Equipped. So that one I have to practice, but not while I run down a alpine hiking path and I have to like care about all the little stones and where I'm, you know, heading. No, this I do when I drive